Hello, Blender enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of incredible Blender add-ons that will take your 3D projects to the next level. So let's get started. First up, we have Ultimate Simulation and Dynamics Add-ons Bundle. This bundle contains all the simulation and physics add-ons Blender Procedural ever made at a huge discount. Make sure to check this out. Link is in the description. But wait, there is the Ultimate Blender Add-ons Bundle for the best time and money savings. This exclusive collection brings together all the powerful add-ons and geometry node setups Blender Procedural ever developed to empower your creative journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Blender artist, this bundle provides everything you need to create stunning, dynamic renders with ease. Ever spent countless hours creating materials and assets for your 3D projects, only to find yourself wishing for something that could speed up your workflow without compromising on quality? Well, buckle up, because I have something amazing for you all. The Sanctus Library, a treasure trove of over 1,000 procedural materials and assets that will revolutionize your Blender experience. Imagine having an ever-growing library of high-quality, unique procedural materials and generators right at your fingertips, ready to bring your visions to life with just a few clicks. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Sanctus Library has something for everyone. Next, we have Fastrender, made available by Bad Normals. With Fastrender, you can render 4x faster, because standard rendering requires rendering every single frame. With Fastrender, Blender renders every second or fourth frame, and the missing frames are generated from the existing ones in less than a second per frame, saving time massively. Basically, it's like NVIDIA's Frame Gen, but for Blender. And there is more stuff you can do with it. Like, you can also use frame generation on already existing frames to increase the frame rate. Supports GPU and CPU, but AMD GPUs are not supported. And make sure to check out his other amazing add-ons, AnyTree and Fractal Machine. Now let's talk about BlenderKit, one of the most comprehensive asset libraries out there. BlenderKit integrates directly into Blender, offering over 73,000 Blender assets collection of high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide. You can choose between the free and full plans, both packed with valuable resources. This add-on supports customizable tags and advanced filters, helping you quickly find what you need. Plus, you can explore different collections handpicked by experienced creators or even sell your own assets within the community. So if you use my link, which is in the description, you get 10% on Pro Plane. Creating beautiful, stylized clouds in Blender often requires a combination of time and complex technical skills. But not anymore, as Rai has made Stylized Cloud Generator for all of you. Designed mainly with NPR/stylized renders in mind, this tool lets you craft stunning skies effortlessly. It simplifies the process from idea to render, allowing you to bring a variety of artistic styles, such as anime, painterly, semi-realistic, to life faster than ever. Want to create terrains quickly in Blender? Take a look at Easy Terrain Generator. You can create any kind of terrain easily in no time with this Geometry Nodes Terrain Generator. It uses complex noises arrangements and customizable shaders to quickly set up realistic environments. You can choose between 6 terrain types and tweak them as you need by changing seed, height, details, and plenty of other handy parameters. Choose your base shader and make it unique. Add sand or snow, change the maximum slope on which it appears, and much more. Add realistic and customizable water. Change its level, color, or volumetric density. Add lakes and control seed, expansion, depth, and as well as, you can activate tree and grass scattering to add life to your scene. Control the scale, density, maximum slope or altitude, and more. Designing stadiums has never been this easy. Procedural Stadiums is a powerful Blender add-on that allows you to generate detailed, fully customizable stadiums and arenas in just a few clicks. Whether you need a football, soccer, stadium, an American football field, a basketball arena, an ice hockey rink, or even a boxing ring, this tool lets you create realistic venues in seconds. You can also give your stadium a unique visual identity. You can turn seating into a detailed mosaic using custom images. Whether it's a team logo, a slogan, or a complex pattern, the tool lets you import an image and automatically map its colors onto the seats. This makes it easy to create large-scale designs that blend seamlessly into the stadium layout, adding another layer of customization. Outdoor stadiums for soccer and American football come with 4 distinct exterior designs, each customizable to fit your scene. Fill your stadium with people in one click. Procedural Stadiums integrates seamlessly with procedural crowds, allowing you to populate your arena with fully customizable spectators. Whether you need a modern, futuristic, classic, or industrial look, you can tweak every detail to match your vision. Adjust clothing, team colors, scarves, and accessories to match any atmosphere. One of the most powerful features of procedural stadiums is the ability to save your stadium as a preset. Create your ideal setup once and quickly reuse it in future projects. Let's be real, tweaking shaders in Blender can be frustrating when you constantly have to connect nodes just to see what's going on. That's where Shader View comes in. This add-on gives you real-time previews of shader nodes right inside the node editor, similar to how shading engines work in Unity and Unreal Engine. It even works with animated shaders, making it a huge time saver for anyone working on motion effects or stylized materials. We have Physical Weather FX, a great new add-on by Lazy3D. Make sure to check his other amazing add-ons. It is a flexible and easy-to-use add-on that adds dynamic, realistic weather effects to your Blender projects. It's perfect for creating atmospheric scenes, cinematic environments, or quickly applying weather effects to any scene. From rain and snow to fog and wind, this add-on makes it effortless to bring lifelike weather conditions into your projects. Easily generate realistic rain, snow, wind, and fog effects with full control over parameters like particle size, gravity, and velocity. Quickly apply pre-configured weather presets for common conditions like sunny days, storms, or snowy scenes. Customize these presets to fit your scene perfectly. Apply custom shaders to objects, transforming them in real time based on the weather conditions for truly immersive effects. Complete ecosystem. All settings in Weather FX are interconnected. Create dynamic skies with customizable cloud layers, wind-driven motion, and global illumination. Next up, we have Universal Water VFX Simulators again by Lazy3D. This add-on provides a collection of real-time water simulators that introduce unmatched dynamism to your 3D scenes. These simulators instantly respond to any adjustments, allowing you to preview, refine, and perfect your water effects with minimal delay. Thanks to the real-time feature, you can instantly see the results of your changes without the need for time-consuming baking. Universal Water VFX simulators focus on realism, integrating advanced physics and collision features into its simulators. With built-in collision detection, water interacts naturally with all elements in your scene, from splashing against rocks to creating ripples along a riverbank. These realistic interactions elevate the immersion, ensuring your water effects feel authentically grounded in the environment. Up next, we have a new Blender course by Creative Shrimp. Have you ever wanted to create stunning, game-ready assets but felt overwhelmed by the technical challenges? This course presented by Adi Burrows and Gleb Alexandrov of Creative Shrimp is your ultimate guide to mastering the entire game asset workflow in Blender. A step-by-step guide to modeling, sculpting, texturing, UVs, optimization, and exporting for game engines. 11+ hours of video content, comprehensive step-by-step tutorials, 1440p, 60 frames per second. Complete workflow, from blockout to export, covering modeling, sculpting, texturing, optimization, UVs, and baking. Early bird sale. 25% off till Monday, March 3rd, 2025. If you are like me, who have a lot of add-ons installed, then the N-Panel Manager helps organize the N-Panel, which can quickly become cluttered, especially if you've installed many add-ons. This tool lets you create custom tabs, assign add-ons to them, and collapse or hide sections you don't use frequently. After installation, you can start creating tabs right away, naming them based on your workflow, e.g., grouping modeling tools under one tab and rendering tools under another. This makes it faster to locate the tools you need without scrolling through a long list. You can also exclude certain add-ons from being managed if you rarely use them but don't want to uninstall them. Additionally, the add-on includes update management, allowing you to check for and download the latest versions of your add-ons directly from the panel. For anyone working on diverse projects or frequently switching between workflows, the In-Panel Manager is a great way to customize and optimize Blender's interface. Lewis Martin has made some amazing Blender add-ons and assets, but now he released Bundle Pack, containing 4 of his best add-ons and assets, giving you 26% discount. I will have a separate video on it coming soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, you find the link to it in the description. If you use AutoRig Pro, you'll want to check out this new animal rig library. It includes fully rigged models for everything from cats and dogs to sharks, dinosaurs, horses, snakes, birds, and more. You can easily transfer these rigs to your own models, and with a single press of the spacebar, play back pre-made animations, saving you tons of time in the animation process. If you've used Autodesk Maya's Set-Driven Key tool, you'll find the Set-Driven Key Action Constraint Builder for Blender an exciting addition. This add-on allows you to easily set up complex rigs requiring predetermined positions or actions. With its fast, intuitive workflow, you can efficiently set up animations in just 4 steps. Load the driver object. Load the target object. Set the desired pose. Hit the Set-Driven Key button to store the pose. Once set, you can smoothly switch between stored poses to animate objects seamlessly. It's an excellent tool for creating sophisticated rigging systems, saving time, and enhancing efficiency. Created by Thinkerboy, this tool reflects their commitment to making Blender workflows faster and more accessible. For animators and riggers seeking robust tools, Thinkerboy's collection is worth exploring, offering features that cater to animation, rendering, and beyond. One of the biggest challenges in modeling is starting with basic primitives like cubes and spheres, which often look nothing like your final model. Figaro streamlines this process by generating a base mesh tailored to what you want to sculpt. With just a few extrusions, you can quickly shape human characters, animals, or any other model, allowing you to dive straight into sculpting rather than struggling with a generic starting shape. Next, we have the Geo-Fish add-on. Geo-Fish makes it easy to create stunning, realistic fish animations in Blender with just a few clicks. It offers extensive customization options and multiple creation modes, including simulation and procedural animation. With its powerful system, you can bring any model to life instantly, no rigging or manual animation required. Choose from over 50 animated creatures, including colorful tropical fish, freshwater species, and deep-sea dwellers, making it perfect for any aquatic scene. Next up, we have Fracturelab, a great new tool by the developers of RBD Lab. Fracturelab is the innovative add-on from B3FX Studios that gives you absolute control to generate fractures with precision and in real time. Designed for artists and technicians seeking speed, accuracy, and flexibility, this add-on allows you to create exact patterns, design the cuts you envision, or generate multiple detailed fractures in record time. Modify cuts at any time. Edit, adjust, or remove cuts without restrictions. Change fracture resolution as needed, optimizing detail levels without losing quality. Easily add extra details. Automatically generate new cuts based on initial fractures for even more realistic results. Incorporate the damage module to simulate complex surfaces like stone walls, cobblestone paths, and much more. Experience a fast, intuitive, and adaptable workflow for any type of destruction or fragmentation. We have Smouse's Everything Bundle. This includes Shaders Plus, Gabas Plus, IES Plus, and Underwater Caustics. And if you get this bundle, you save $28. Let's add some atmosphere with quick clouds and fog. This powerful add-on offers 80 high-quality presets and 10 ready-made scenes to create beautiful backdrops with fog, clouds, and haze. Whether you need individual clouds or an entire cloud array, this tool adds depth and realism to your projects. The possibilities with this add-on are endless. Up next, we have Fake Godray and Glow Objects. This asset pack makes it easy to add dramatic glow effects and Godrays to your scenes with minimal effort. It comes with over 60 emissive and Godray materials, plus 30 pre-made scene setups. Just drag and drop them from Blender's asset browser to instantly enhance your renders. These shaders can be customized to fit any lighting style, whether you're working on a cinematic shot or a stylized animation. Another must-have is Simplify Plus. If you're working with heavy Blender scenes, This add-on helps optimize viewport performance beyond Blender's default Simplify tool. It lets you toggle multiple modifiers, like armatures and geometry nodes, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Whether you're animating or handling complex simulations, this add-on ensures everything runs without lag, especially useful if you're working on a low-spec machine. Let's talk about physical cables. If you're adding cables, wires, or ropes to your projects, this add-on will make your life so much easier. It uses simulation nodes to generate dynamic, physics-based cables that interact naturally with their surroundings. Whether you're rigging complex mechanical assemblies or adding detailed cables to an architectural scene, this tool has you covered. With over 20 types of procedural geometries, you'll have no problem integrating them seamlessly into your projects. Now let's talk about the advanced car paint shader from the folks at Lazy 3D. This fully procedural material shading tool is available for free, and it's designed to give you ultra-realistic car paint finishes in Blender. You can add details like dust, rust, and leaks to give your vehicles a worn, authentic look. One of the coolest features is its ability to create procedural flakes, scratches, and even decals that can make your vehicle look more realistic. Whether you're working on a sleek new car or a beat-up old truck, this shader lets you achieve those fine details effortlessly. The Lazy 3D team has really outdone themselves with this one. And there you have it. You can also check some of my previous video. Don't miss out on these amazing add-ons and assets, and start creating stunning 3D environments today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.